Download this code from codegive.com, link in the description below. Sure. Here's a quick tutorial on HTTP status codes, which are issued by a server in response to a client's request made to the server. They indicate whether a specific HTTP request has been successfully completed, and they are categorized into 5 classes. Overview of HTTP status codes. HTTP status codes are 3-digit numbers and are grouped into 5 categories. 11xx, informational, these codes indicate that the request has been received and is being processed. They are generally not used in practice. Example, 100 continue. 22xx, success, these codes indicate that the client's request was successfully received, understood, and accepted. Example, 200 OK, 201 created, 204 no content. 33xx, redirection, these codes indicate that further action needs to be taken by the user agent to fulfill the request. Example, 301 moved permanently, 302 found, 304 not modified. 44xx, client error, these codes indicate that the client seems to have made an error. The request cannot be fulfilled due to bad syntax or invalid request. Example, 400 bad request, 401 unauthorized, 404 not found. 55xx, server error, these codes indicate that the server failed to fulfill a valid request. The problem is on the server side. Example, 500 internal server error, 503 service unavailable. Code example. We'll create a simple Express.js application that demonstrates various HTTP status codes. Step 1. Set up Express. First, ensure you have Node.js and Express installed. You can create a new project directory and run. Step 2. Create the server. Create a file called server.js and add the following code. Step 3. Test your endpoints. You can use tools like Postman or your browser to test the endpoints. Get http://localhost 3000/success-returns 200 OK. Post http://localhost 3000/create-returns 201 created. Delete http://localhost 3000/delete-returns 204 no content. Get http://localhost 3000/old URL-redirects to new URL. Get http://localhost 3000/not found-returns 404 not found. Get http://localhost 3000/error-triggers a 500 internal server error. Conclusion. HTTP status codes provide important information about the result of a server's handling of a client's request. Understanding these codes is essential for debugging and improving the user experience of web applications. With this simple Express.js server, you can see how to implement and test different HTTP status codes in practice.